Hi there, hope you have a fantastic day today. This lesson I'm going to teach you capacity. Of course, there's a PDF file versions on the description below for you to download so you can work with me. Otherwise, let's go straight into it. So what is a capacity? A capacity is the amount of liquid that can be held inside this bottle here, okay? So remember, capacity is usually used for measuring liquid, okay? And whereas volume is the amount of space that inside this bottle. So the unit for volumes is either cubic centimeters or cubic meters or cubic kilometers and so on, okay? So keep that in mind. And capacity we use for liquid usually. So to work out the capacity of this bottle, we usually work out the volume first and then we convert, okay, to capacity. And we know that 1 cubic centimeter is 1 milliliter and 1 cubic meter is 1 kiloliters. Please take note on this because we need to use these units, conversions, to convert from volume to capacity and capacity to volume. So let's go through a few examples. So first one, okay, so we know the capacity of this bottle here, this string is 750 milliliters. So what is the volume of this? So to work out the volume, first of all, we know that 1 cubic centimeters is equal to 1 milliliters. And the capacity of this bottle is 750 milliliters. So therefore, okay, is 750 centimeters cubed. That is the volume. Next one. We know that the capacity of this container here is 460 milliliters. And we know that 1 milliliter is 1 cubic centimeters. So therefore, okay, we have 460 milliliters. So this will give me 460 cubic centimeters. So you can just write therefore volume, if you like, okay, is equal to 460 cubic centimeters, okay? So next one. So we know that the capacity of this bottle here is 1.25 liters. So therefore, we need to convert that into milliliters first. The reason is we know 1 milliliter is 1 cubic centimeters. So please keep that in mind, okay? And then what happened next is this one here is liters. So we need to convert that into milliliters. And we know that 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. So therefore, 1.25 liters. So therefore, 1.25 liters, so which is times by 10. So therefore, to work out 1.25 liters, which is times by 1,000. So if we times 1,000, so that will give me 1250. We move 1, 2, and then we add 0 on top, okay? So we times by 1,000. So milliliters. So that becomes 1,250 milliliters. So that will give me 1,250 cubic centimeters. So I can just write here, therefore, the volume, okay, is equal to 1,250 cubic centimeters. There you go. Now, please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi, I'm back. How did you go? So let me go through them with you, okay? So before I do that, please do not forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe if you haven't done so you can help me to grow my channel. So let's get into this, okay? So 1 liter, we know that the capacity of this container is 1 liter. So therefore, what we do, we times by 1,000. So we know that 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. So let me write this down first. I know that 1 milliliter is 1 cubic centimeters. Okay, so remember that. And then we have 1 liter. That is 1,000 milliliters. So which is 1000 cubic centimeters. So therefore, the volume of this container here is 1000 cubic centimeters. That's all. This one here. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi, I'm back. How do you go? So let me go through it with you, okay? So we know that the capacity of this fish tank is 45 liters. So therefore, we need to convert into milliliters first, okay? So we know that 1 milliliter is equal to 1 cubic centimeters. And 45 liters, we know that 45 liters is 45,000, okay, milliliters. Because 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. So therefore, 45 times 1000 is 45,000, okay? And then this will give me 45,000 cubic centimeters. So therefore, the volume of this fish tank here is 45,000 cubic centimeters. There you go. Or if you think about it, they already give you the dimensions. So 60, 30, and 30. So if you think about it, volume is length times height times width. So if you times by 60 times 30 and times 30. Let's see what happens. So we go 3 times 3 is 9 and 9 times 6 is 54. And then we add 1, 2, 3. So which is 1, 2, 3. And then the volume is 54,000 cubic centimeters. There you go. Now the volume of this tank is 5,400 cubic centimeters. So we need to work out the capacity. So we know that 1 cubic centimeters is equal to 1 milliliter. So now we have 5,400 cubic centimeters. Let me just write this down. 5,400 cubic centimeters. So that will give me 5,400 milliliters. There you go. So therefore, I just write this down. Therefore, the capacity of this tank is, I just write this down. Therefore, just write capacity. And we know that 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. So therefore, we just divide by 1,000. That will give me 5.4 liters. There you go. Last one. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi, I'm back. How did you go? So let me go through them with you, okay? So first of all, we know the volume of this tank is 0.678 cubic meters. So therefore, we need to work out the capacity. So we know that 1 cubic meter is equal to 1 kiloliters. So please keep that in mind, okay? So now we have this 0.678 cubic meters is equal to 0.678 kiloliters. See, that's the same, right? So now, because we know that 1 kiloliter is 1,000 liters. So therefore, we just need to convert to liters. It's easier, that's all. So now if we times by 1,000, now we just move the decimal point to the right hand side. So move 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So that will give me 678 liters because it's less than a kiloliter. So we better convert into liters. So just write this down. Therefore, okay, the capacity of this fish tank is equal to 678 liters. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.